We got Mom Dukes in the house. Let's go! They was waiting on us, baby. We here, baby. We up in here.
Here we go. This will be insane.
National Agents Alliance is in Dublin, Ireland, baby.
Do it.
Guinness.
Woo, let's go. We in Ireland, baby.
It's green. It's beautiful. We were just in this castle.
I think my favorite part was getting to pour my own bottle of Jameson straight from the barrel.
It's a beautiful city, and the food is awesome, amazing people.
Getting to these trips is critical to your growth.
At the Trinity Library.
Come with us. You don't want to miss one trip, not one.
Best experience ever. Join us on the next trip. New Zealand, baby, New Zealand.
Come with us. Come with the Alliance.
But you do not want to miss these trips. I can't wait to see what people discover in New Zealand.
See you
In
New